What's up guys, welcome back to another Corners and Heath video. The last time we did strawberry and watermelon and the powder of strawberry and watermelon as well. So we did strawberry and watermelon prime hydration, that's the strawberry and watermelon bottle there. So I'm going to put that out the way, at the back here. But now the focus is on Ice Pop prime hydration powder with the Ice Pop prime hydration bottle. So yeah, let's get this open. I'll probably think it will be the same similar thing, and it was. So let's use some for a responsible purpose. And then you got this one and the prime powder. So just fill up the bottle. So that's the bottle when it was empty. So let's get some more water, cold water obviously. That's been enough, I would think. So what do you think of the hoodie? Got this from my Christmas present from my mum. So yeah, but anyways, let's fill this bad boy up. So let's carry on filling this bad boy up. Don't think it's halfway yet. So about that guys, let's get tidied up. While I'm at it, because it's a little bit low. I'll fill this back to the top. Have we got that? No. So yeah. So that's the prime when it's like that. So it's when it's with water. So little bit by little. Like that. That's enough. shake it. There's a lemon flavour as well I need to do with you. So, now look at that bottle now, it's white, so let's give it a taste test. Smell test 10 out of 10, taste test 10 out of 10. So yeah. So like, subscribe, see you guys next time for another YouTube video. Called Nelson HD. Peace. Bye.